Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to use URL to video option on the Vidnoz AI website. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we have to go to the website. And after going to the website, we have to create our account. And after account creation, simply we have to go to the options, which is called AI tools option. And after going there, we have to click on this option. As you can see now, let's open this one. And it will be opened into a new window. And then we have to go to this window here. Now simply we just need to paste the URL of that video. For example, I'm going to open the YouTube here and we will copy the link of a random video and then we will paste there for checking out the preview that is it working or not. For example, let's copy the video of this one. For example, I'm going to copy the link of this video here. So as you can see now, let's click on this and we have to click on the share and then we have to click on the copy link option. Let's copy the link here and then we have to paste the link here and then simply we have to click on the generate video. So as you can see, please change the URL to a supported size. As you can see, currently we have these both supported size from the URL here. You can copy the link from these both websites. And after copying that link, you have to paste the link here and then you have to click on the generate video. Then a video will be generated. So in this way, you can use a free AI URL to video generator option on the Vidnoz AI website. I hope you guys understand this video. So see you guys in the next video.